Let's see how we do on this side. Let's rock. Y'all ready? Let's rock. Y'all signed up for this. Let's go. Oh, I need my little spoon. Because I don't put that much in there like y'all heavy-handed people. I had some little spoons somewhere I bought from Dollar Tree. And I don't know what I did with them. Because I said, oh, these will be cute for the kids. But we're going to use that little teaspoon. No, I don't really want that many, but we're going to use a little teaspoon. Alexa, turn volume down everywhere to 2. Because we don't want it to go out. Good morning. Let me find where I'm at. Y'all, I can't hear on my phone. I got to do a claim on my phone. Y'all, that was so funny to be with. She said, you might not like what I say. You might not agree, but you can't beat me. You know, because people be serious about their wax. Y'all, that was so funny to be with. I can hear myself. Oh, okay. I can hear myself, but can't nobody hear me. That's what it is. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I can't see the comments. I'm waiting for y'all to come on in because I know it takes a while. We'll give it a couple of more minutes to get your stuff set up. Oh, sure, you got stuff everywhere. Oh, I be working, y'all, in between time, in the meantime. And I'm finna pipe. I got some jars I got to pipe for mothers. I don't know what these for, but they going somewhere. But people bought them. People bought them. People bought them. They told you everybody love little Jesus. I don't think you can have too much Jesus in your life. Look at my arm. Y'all see my arm? My arm kind of thick. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Pinky? Hey, April. Good morning. 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 Niche versus niche. I see you, girl. All right. So with the water beads, I know y'all like the colors. The colors to me, when I tried to, let me put it up in the colors. These color beads are just because of color. I don't think I smelled anything with these. The ones that you get aroma with is these. You mix these with these to get your color in. So make sure it be these. What I took and did also, I don't think nobody reads but me. Where's me one? I took and bought one from Dollar Tree, which didn't smell like nothing. Let me see. I take and buy stuff and I read the ingredients. And I read the ingredients. It said alcohol. Like this, I don't smell nothing with these. I don't know what y'all thought y'all was supposed to smell a lot. This came from Walmart. I bought one. I don't smell nothing. But mine do smell. I don't know what I did, but we're going to do it. This is part 1. All we're doing is prepping up. This is just something I bought from the store for those who just came in. We're going to just prep up. I'm going to put that in the bathroom and see if I smell anything. All we're doing, I got this jar from, probably Family Dollar. See, I got 2. See, I store them in here because I need a lot of room. I would prefer to have more water than to have my beads overflowing because I want what profit. Your profit ain't in them beads falling on the floor and overflowing. Your profit is what's in this jar. Okay, so all I do, y'all ready? This is so easy. That's why I was like, I feel guilty to charge. This was too easy. All right, I'm going to take a teaspoon. I'm not getting that much, heavy-handed people. I'm just getting one teaspoon. That's it. That's all I want. That's all she needs. And then I'm going to get my colors. What color do I want to do? Because I got some stuff from D-Stash. Citrus Odor Eliminator. I think I could put in a candle, but I don't care for it. But this is perfect for this. So for citrus, let's be extra. Y'all know how to use up most of my good colors playing around with y'all trying to test this stuff out. Let's do some. We're going to use some extra white. We're going to make it a little bit white with some yellow because citrus will make it yellow. All I want is just a little bit of color. And all I'm doing, heavy-handed people, don't be heavy-handed. These things fill up twice, almost quadruple the size. Then I just want some yellow. I just want a little bit of yellow. You just put in how much you want it to overdo. I just want a yellow in there you got to have a big enough jar to play with. And that's it. Then what I will do, the lady asked me what I know about this soap. I just got some detergent-free or fragrance-free soap, hand soap. That's it. That's it. I don't know why. It just worked. Don't ask me all of these. I'm not no scientist. I just be in the kitchen cooking. Like when you cook your oxtails or your collard greens and why mine tastes better than yours. Cheryl may have added just a tap full of vinegar and you use the whole bottle, that kind of thing. All I do is one squirt. That's it. That's it. That's all. Then I put some, what is this, castor oil. I might have to get some more of this. Some castor oil. I'm just going to do just a little tiny bit. Just a little tiny bit. You see how much on this spoon? Just a little tiny bit. That's it. That's all. But if I wasn't on here, I'd have poured it in here. And then I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol. We ain't causing no combustion or nothing. I ain't seen those fireworks. What are you using that for? I don't know, girl. It just worked. And I'm just going to use... Do I have an opening? And I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol. Give me a teaspoon of alcohol that's falling over. So that would have been... That's it. That's all. My gosh, Cheryl, what are you doing? I don't know, but it's going to smell good at the end. If you ever come to my cookout, all my food good. You ain't got to ask who made the potato salad because Cheryl made it. It's good. And then all I do is take, and I'm gonna do a teaspoon again because I really don't eyeball this stuff. Just like when you cook it in the kitchen. I'm going to do 1. That's 2, 3. That's all I need. Because I'm not finished with my fragrance oil. But this is it for step 1. That's it. That's it. That's all. Then I want you to let it marinate like you would that steak at the barbecue the night before. I'm just going to shake it up. Let it marinate. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Let it sit. Let it sit for a week. That's it. That's all. Was that hard? Oh my gosh, no. How did you come up? Girl, I just played with some bees. I done messed up enough bees to see. And I was playing with them, truth be told. And I had put some on a shelf in a smaller jar. And I forgot about it. Y'all know I put stuff up and forget about it because I'm always doing something. And I said, oh, let me try these. Then when I let it marinate, because y'all say cure, I'm going to let my beets marinate in all this concoction. And that's pretty much it. And then when I did it, and I put in the bathroom, and I went to the bathroom like maybe 3 or 4 in the morning. And I was like, oh, lemongrass. I might have did something. But the other ones I didn't. But what I did was order these first. And I was testing with these. You will not too much. I don't know. I ain't no scientist or nothing. But I didn't marinate these. But I do know you got to have these kind of beads. These, to me, those colors are just that for colors. For some reason, they don't soak up as much. The white ones do. Any questions? Any comments? She said the lemongrass was awesome. Yes. What's up, LaDonna? Me too. Messed up a bunch. Good thing they don't cost that much. Any questions? Any comments? Any concerns? So you're going to just put this on a shelf and let it sit to next, what's the day? We're going to say Saturday. Next Friday. And then we're going to add some water. And then Saturday morning, we'll come back and look at them. So we're going to let these sit on the shelf. Do not, y'all can do what you want to do because I know y'all ain't got patience of a goddamn goldfish. But let it sit on the shelf till next Friday. Friday morning, I'll come on in here and fill mine up with some water and let you, I'm not going to, we could do a timer. I could do a time lapse so you can see them doing it. I might do that so you can see them as they do. But once you're finished, they will turn out like this. Let me move this to the side, move this to the front. And then, if you're going to do it, it's something about this ice cream scoop to make it look extra. Look, y'all, it looks extra like I'm really doing something. Look. Like I'm doing something, girl. And see, the colored beads are a little bit bigger than the white beads. I don't know why my light ain't never right over here, but you can see now. See how the colored beads are bigger? It gives it that, oh, I can smell this good. I don't know what they doing in the store, but I can tell you what Cheryl doing over here. These smell good. Please, for the love of candle making at the Candle Coach University in the streets, in these candle streets, do not, I don't know what I was going to say. I was going to say something good, too. I say something good. You see how that fell? And that's all. And I just get these little lids, what I told y'all to get, sit it in the jar, put your label on here, get a, what size label? Oh, let me see, girl. No, I get y'all all the tape for free. And then they come in here big mad. Get you some 0.75. Let me just see if it's a, hold up before I say that. Cheryl, where your labels? Girl, I don't know. I had some labels. Before I say this, I'm going to check it and see. might not work. But these are new labels I like. Oh, look. It's a funny shaped jar. Nah, this ain't gonna work, but probably use a return address envelope. The reason I say it right here, if you can't see it, but I want my labels to lay flat. I'll save you for later. We got to put you on.